is mining? Mining is an important human activity. It enables us to extract valuable and useful minerals from the earth. Many minerals are useful in our everyday lives. Without mining, we won't have coal to make electricity, iron that we can use in the construction of roads and buildings, and other useful minerals like gold and copper. Mining is the name that we use for the process through which we extract minerals from the earth. Mines are the places where minerals are extracted. Miners are the people who work in mines and extract the minerals. We're going to study two different types of mining. The first is shaft mining or deep level mining. This is a method where shafts are dug deep into the ground and horizontal tunnels extend from these shafts. Open pit or surface level mining is when a large pit is dug into earth and minerals are extracted from the top layers. Shaft mines can stretch more than 3 kilometers deep. Shaft mining is used when minerals are situated deep below the surface of earth. Open pit mining is used to extract minerals that are located close to Earth's surface. Working in mines can be very dangerous, especially to those who work underground. Shaft mines especially stretch deep into Earth where the conditions are harsh and dangerous. Miners have to deal with dust and with high temperatures. Ventilation shafts are used to pump cool and fresh air into mines, but that only helps so much. Tunnels are dug in mines which can be unstable. On top of that, explosives are often used which increase the risk of rock falls and collapses. Rock falls can injure and even kill miners. They can become trapped if the tunnels collapse. The rocks in mines may have toxic gases in them. There are also chemicals that can be flammable. They can ignite and even cause explosions. Dust particles in the air can damage the lungs of miners when they inhale it. When miners constantly breathe in air filled with dust particles, their lungs can become damaged. Over time, they can develop a condition called silicosis. Individuals who suffer from silicosis can no longer do strenuous activities, and they will have to stop working in mines. Safety rules and regulations are put in place to help protect miners from dangerous conditions. Lighters are not allowed in mines because they can cause explosions. Miners have to work in pairs or in groups. Safety officers are appointed and have to do regular inspections to ensure stability and safety. Working with big machines in dark and dusty conditions are very dangerous, and miners are only allowed to do the jobs that they've been specifically trained for. When machines do not work the way they should, they must be reported immediately and they shouldn't be used until it has been fixed. Miners also wear specially designed safety gear that protect them when they work in mines. They wear gloves that protect their hands when they're working with sharp tools or rocks. This prevents cuts and burns to their hands. Hard hats protect their heads from falling rocks or tools and possible sharp edges or low working spaces. Masks prevent the inhalation of dust particles and dangerous chemicals. Falling rocks and heavy tools can cause crush injuries. Miners have to wear steel-tip boots. These are boots with hard tips that protect their toes. Miners also wear reflective jackets that make them more visible in dusty and dark conditions underground. The strips on the jacket make them very visible when lights of big mining vehicles shine on them. This prevents accidents.